Hey there! Have you ever wanted to learn how to create some awesome 3D artworks and animation, but you just didn't know how? Well, I'm super pleased to bring to you the Ultimate Blender course. My name is Alex Corbart, and for the last 6 years, I've been doing and teaching 3D artworks and animations to thousands of people. Alright, now I've taken my heart, my passion, and my soul and put it all into this course to bring you something to teach you the art of 3D graphics. We're going to be going from A to Z, from the very basics of 3D arts all the way to the more advanced things. Now in here, there's over 100 videos and lectures, over 20 hours of content, and we're covering over 70 topics and subjects. By the end of this, you're going to have the skills, the confidence, and the know-how to take what you have in your imagination and bring it to life in the world of 3D. Not only that, you're also going to have tons of fun, of course, but as we learn the art of 3D, we're going to create some cool projects and animations along the way. So by the end, you're going to have some artwork and animations that you could be proud of. So if you've ever had that pesky little idea in your mind that you've always wanted to bring to life in the world of 3D, this is the course for you. If you've ever wanted to learn 3D animation but just didn't know where to start, and you've always wanted to create something in the world of 3D, this is the course for you. We're going to have tons of fun. It's going to be an absolute blast. I look forward to being on this journey with you. And on top of that, the 3D Arts program that we're going to be using is absolutely free. So click the link, get the course, and once you have it, grab your mouse, grab your keyboard, and let's go on an adventure of creating some awesome 3D artwork. I'll see you there. Au revoir.